Hi, this is Craig Klein, CEO of SalesNexus, and welcome to our 4 Steps to Market Domination Onboarding video series. In the next 4 videos, we're going to help you get SalesNexus set up fast so that you can be successful automating the growth of your business. I know you're probably sitting there thinking, hey, can we just skip to the part where you show me how to create these ongoing email campaigns that are going to generate leads for my sales team? Or hey, just show me how I can visualize my pipeline and see what my salespeople are up to. Yes, we're going to show you how to do all those things in the next 4 videos. But over 15 years of helping thousands of sales teams be successful with CRM and marketing automation, we've learned that most sales teams set themselves up for failure by going about this in the wrong order. Our 4 Steps to Market Domination video series is going to take you through setting things up in the right order so you set the foundation for your success. So, let's get started. The 4 Steps to Market Domination. Start with gathering requirements and building buy-in from your team. They're much more likely to use it if you ask for their input up front. In fact, when you download our 4 Steps to Market Domination guide, there's a survey that you can access and print out and circulate with the team. Step 1 is building buy-in and consistency. Like I said before, you can download a survey as a part of the 4 Steps to Market Domination guide that's available on the SalesNexus website. You're going to discuss the opportunities and ideas that your team has and let them help you prioritize what's most important. That's going to get their buy-in to being part of the solution as you implement the system. Step 2 is organizing customers and enabling visibility. Your business is unique. You need to track different things about your customers than I would want to track about my customer. It's important to make it super easy for your team to enter and retrieve that important information. Don't bury it in secondary screens, put it front and center. And then you can make everything else about the whole system pivot around that crucial information. You can create dashboards that don't just show you what's in the pipeline, but how much is in the pipeline based on crucial market segments that you're targeting. Then we're going to start doing our marketing and automating things. What we found is many companies get email marketing wrong, especially if you're a sales-driven organization. You have a tendency to write emails that sound a lot like a salesperson pitching a customer. That doesn't work in email marketing. What we want to do is identify helpful content that you probably already have. It could be a blog post, could be a white paper, it could be a video, could even be something that you didn't create that's available on an industry association website or something like that. But it's helpful content that will educate your customer about problems that you solve with your products and services. And then we're going to create emails that help your customers access that helpful information. So it's basically, hey, Mr. Customer, do you have this problem? If so, here's some helpful information that we thought you'd find interesting. Guess what? People enjoy getting those kind of emails. They're not annoyed by them. And when they click on them, they're telling you they have a problem that you can help them with. You probably should call them. That's how this works. So once we've created a few email templates like that, we create some campaigns that string them all together in ongoing sequences and processes that include maybe sales calls as well. And then we start automating it all. So when a customer comes in from your website, they get an automated process of emails and sales calls. When a customer calls in that's in a certain market segment, they may get a different sequence of emails and sales calls. That's all up to you, and it can all be automatic. And then we're going to train the team. So again, in your early discussions, you talked about priorities with the team. Now you've got to decide, what are they required to do in the system? Keep it as simple as you possibly can, especially initially. Help them be successful. Write it all down. Make it clear to them. Give them a 1-pager. Do this, this, and this when a new lead comes in. And then train them based on their role. Your inside salespeople and your outside salespeople need to do different things. Your customer service people need to do different things. Focus their training on their specific job. Hey, guess what? That's it. That's all there is to this. Follow this formula and you will be successful. We've seen it happen with thousands of businesses. You're going to dominate your market. You're going to engage with thousands of new leads and existing customers and leads automatically. More people than you could ever possibly reach out to with old-fashioned methods of cold calling and things. That's going to enable you to grow without making huge investments in marketing and hiring more salespeople. So all you've got to do is download the 4 Steps to Market Domination Guide. In there is a worksheet that will help you with the organizing customers part. What information do I need to know about my customers? There's a worksheet for that. There's also a worksheet that will help you with writing your first few emails the way I discussed a minute ago. It's not hard. Download the guide. It'll show you how to do it. And watch our next video, and that will show you how to start setting this up in SalesNexus. The next video is titled Step 1. So let's get started.